Hello everyone, this is chapter 5 Birds, Beaks and Claws. In this chapter, I have explained you about the beaks and their types, different types of beaks. Okay, and types of beaks are crushing beak, curved beak, piercing and tearing beak, sizzling beak, probing beak, shifting beak. Okay, and sticky beak. And in feet and claws, I have explained you about the birds of the prey and perching birds, swimming birds, wading birds, and scratching birds, climbing birds. These are the types of the toes present in different types of the bird. Okay, and today you listen the keywords. The keywords are, see these keywords. See keywords. Number one is the chisel, a flat blade with a cutting edge is called chisel, and feather, a feather, a light horny waterproof surface on the body of the birds. Hollow, vacant space in something. Piers, to cut through. Probe, to find out. Sift, to separate out things as sieve. So these are the keywords and you have to learn and write the keywords. First you will write the keywords. First you will write chapter name, chapter number 5, then chapter name. Okay, then you will write the keywords. Like this you will write. Okay, is it clear to all of you? What will you do? First you will write chapter number, that is 5, then name of the chapter, that is beaks and claws, birds, beaks and claws. Okay, and then you will start these keywords. Okay, write all the keywords and then you will write the something to do, that is exercise A, B and C. Okay, C, exercise A, then B, then C. Now come to the exercise A. See the question. In exercise A, see the question number 1. Birds do not have dash to eat. What will you write? T-E-E-T-H, teeth to eat. Number 2 is the sunwards dash nectar from the flowers. Here you will write S-U-C-K-S, sucks. Number 3 is the a duck has a dash and broad beak. Okay, that means F-L-A-T, flat. You will fill here what? Flat, F-L-A-T, flat. That means a duck has a flat and broad beak. And number 4 is the a penguin uses its webbed feet to dash. You will fill here what? Swim, S-W-I-M, swim. That means a penguin uses its webbed feet to swim. And number 5 is the dash and jaganna are wading birds. So what will you fill here? Cranes, C-R-A-N-E-S. What? C-R-A-N-E-S. So how will you start? You will as you know that how will you write? First you will write the chapter number, that is chapter number 5, then birds, beaks and claws. Okay, and then you will underline it. Then you will write keywords, then you will write the keywords like making like this point. Okay, that means chisel, you will write here chisel, then the meaning of flat like this, then feather like you will write like this. Okay, when you will complete when you will complete this, then what will you do? You will start from the next page. That means in the next page you will start exercise something to know. What you will write? Something to know. This is short, so I have written like this. Then you will write A. Okay, then A and fill in the blanks. What will you write? Fill in the blanks. Okay, and then you will write 1, question number 1. Then you will write whole sentence. Birds do not, like this. Now 2, now 3, now I say like this 4. Then you will start B. Okay, what? You will start B. Here you will write match the following. Okay, then you will write 1 and then answer. You will write the answer here D. जो भी आंसर होगा you will write that answer. Now 2, they will write the question, that is eagle. Then you will write the answer. Answer is the G, piercing, like this. You will write like this. Okay, don't draw the line like this. Okay, don't draw like that. So you will write in front of the answer. That means when 1 is there, that means you write 1 here, sun, bird, and the answer is D, that is proving beak, like this. You will write like this. Okay, so this is clear. Now come to the matching. See, B, that is the match the following: sunbird. Number D, proving beak. Number 2, eagle, piercing and tearing beak. Okay, I have left the beak because no space was there. And number 3, parrot, curved beak. Number 4, duck, A, shifting beak. Number 5, swallow, B, sticky beak. Number 6, woodpecker, chiseling beak. Okay. Number 7, pigeon, crushing beak. So this this you will write like this. Now come to the C. C1, a sparrow uses its short and hard beak for crushing of grains. The answer is C, crushing of the grains. So you will write this answer. Okay. Now move to the next question. Next question is the hoopoe takes out insects and worms from the holes in the ground with the help of its long and slender beak. Long and slender beak, not cylinder. Long and slender beak. Okay. Now come to the question number 3. See this, a bird that does not have strong and sharp claws is the what? Duck. Answer is duck. And number 4 is the birds that have 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 downwards are known as what? Climbing birds. Okay. Now number 5, it is a perching bird. What is the answer? It is a sparrow. Sparrow. I hope now you can answer all the question answer. Okay, see this again. If you have left anything, then you can complete that. See this. Okay, so you will complete. First you will write the keywords. Then you will write A exercise A, B, C. Okay, and C complete. You will complete all the exercises A, B, C. Not you will leave D and D. Okay, next day I will explain you about the exercise D, and you prepare for the test. Tomorrow is the test, so everyone will prepare for the test. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.